Most Subaru key fobs from 2010s to 2025 models, including the Forester, Crosstrek, and Outback, use a CR1220 or CR1620 coin cell battery. To open the fob, use a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently separate the case halves. Newer post-2018 fobs often snap open without screws. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, identify the battery type printed on the old cell. The battery is secured by a small metal clip or slot. Remove the old battery from the key fob, making sure to note its orientation with the positive side facing up. Insert the new CR1220 or CR1620 battery in the same orientation, with the positive side facing up. Ensure it's securely seated in the slot. Close the key fob case by snapping it back together firmly. Test the fob's functionality by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure it works properly. For maintenance, replace the battery every 12 to 24 months. Keep the fob dry to prevent moisture damage. Rechargeable alternatives are available. Replace the battery before it fails to avoid costly dealer reprogramming fees.